Somebody asked me why we chose Nordic design for our tiny homes. And I think it really comes down to um, over here in the US, we love farmhouse. I love farmhouse too. But the problem I have with it is a lot of the choices that people make end up being super consumeristic and lazy, maybe even wasteful. And let me explain. So, especially like Hobby Lobby. Y'all know I hate Hobby Lobby. Joanna Gaines. Y'all had your time. It's not now, right? We're tired of it, right? It's like that brown stain over top of pine. It's white walls, white and black, everything. The sort of stark colors with nothing to soften it. Um, and I think that we're just ready for something that's a little more natural, right? A little more soulful, a little more earthy. That's why I love Nordic. Also love sort of Scottish farmhouse with the plaids, the skins, the mounts, leather. Um, those kind of things really soften a space up, so you can still have maybe a black and white palette or whitewash like we do, um, with the black, and you soften up with skins, you soften up with plaids, with fabrics, leather. Um, it's some natural elements, and even things like skins and mounts are they're a byproduct of nature, right? So you're kind of connecting to nature in a way, but it's not wasteful, right? You're not consuming. It's not consumerism. You're not just buying something and throwing it away immediately. You pay a good bit for it. You buy good art. You buy good furniture. You buy good um, cutlery, whatever it is, and you use it for the rest of your life. It's not this like consumeristic approach where you're just trying to your home is like some kind of prop for you, and you're trying to get this look really fast that everybody else has, but you're not taking your time to ask the questions of like, is this me? Is this what I want? Is this my style? Right? You're just kind of like copy and paste everything. Um, social media housing design really is what it is. So we have like a more of a long term, patient sort of vision for design, and we hope that our tiny homes are actually a sort of a vehicle for that. That's even bigger than tiny homes itself. It's more like inspiring to everyone, even if you don't buy a tiny home. So Monday rant. I actually don't hate you, Joanna Gaines. You've done a great thing. So you probably agree with me after all.